Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to get more fruits on your tomato plants by pruning. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button to see more videos just as like this. Pruning is a very good idea to increase the amount of fruits in your tomato plants. So I will explain how to prune your tomato plants. First of all, there is no need to use any pruning tools such as this knife. So you can prune your tomato plants with your bare hands. I will show you how to do that. Okay, always begin the pruning from the bottom of your tomato plants. First, you must look for diseased leaves or yellow leaves. As you can see that some diseased leaves here. So you must remove these leaves, otherwise the whole tomato plant will be die. So you have to use your thumb and index finger to remove the unwanted leaves, or doing this will make your tomato plant to stay healthy and produce more number of fruits in the plant. Okay, now the next step is to remove the suckers. You can see that you have to remove the suckers. Again, you can use your bare hands to remove the suckers. Hold the part which you want to remove between your thumb and index finger and then gently lift off the parts. You must remove all these suckers from your tomato plants. They may be found in between the two main branches of your tomato plants. The best time to prune your tomato plants is the time when they produce flowers. So you must prune your tomato plants when they are able to produce flowers. At this point, the plants should be between 12 and 18 inches in length. A properly pruned and supported single stem tomato plant presents all of the leaves directly into the sun. So most of the sugar produced is directed into the developing of the tomato fruits. And also don't forget to give the tomato plant a firm and proper support just as like this. So you must provide your tomato plants proper support using sticks like these. There is also another important factor to be considered. Never prune or tie the tomato plants when the leaves are wet. So you shouldn't prune your tomato plants after heavy rainfall, after watering your tomato plants. Okay friends, this is how you can prune your tomato plants to produce more fruits on it. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in your comment section. Thanks for watching.